It's really exciting when I walk on the farm and to see the changes that we've made in the last few years. I run a regenerative cattle property. We follow regenerative practices to improve our soil health. We're seeing healthier soil, more diversity in our plants, clean running water, less erosion, more ground cover, more wildlife. By having healthy soil, we'll have healthy plants, and then we will have healthy animals, and we'll have healthy people because we're providing a nutrient-dense product. I'm definitely one of many farmers following regenerative practices in Australia. My vision for the future of agriculture is that regenerative farming practices becomes the norm in Australia and across the world. I would like consumers to know the power they have to create change by choosing products that support regenerative agriculture.
To me, soils are the essence of everything, and they're the life of the whole planet. Regenerative ag is more like that umbrella, and under which sits movements and practices that go to healing the soil and the environment. I do think it's now people who have the ability with insight to change how we've managed soils and treated the planet. It's a privilege to think that we are able to grow food for the nation and society. What we've found that's really worked here on Milgardara is understanding our soils. We've been able to transform the soils, the ecosystem, the biodiversity of everything. The capacity of the soil to restore itself and the whole environment to restore itself is immense if we give it the opportunity.
Well, we're on Bidjigal country, and I'm a Bidjigal person, so where we are now is what I would consider my country, our part of land. The environment around us and everything that exists makes up country. Plants are a huge part of that. The bush foods, the medicines, the stories that go with them, and some of those old people that come here and tell us the stories of some of the plants that we grow here. That's all part of country. We run a nursery, but underpinning running a nursery is culture, and we want to provide an opportunity and employ our young people, but give them opportunities to learn cultural knowledge around our local plants. Caring for country is a huge part of what we're about here, what we do here at Indigigrow, and sustainability has been passed down for thousands of years through our old people, through stories, etc. Caring for country is not just an Aboriginal thing. Caring for country is everyone's responsibility. Our plants and landscape might be critically endangered, but it doesn't mean we can't do nothing about it. We can do lots. And for one, we can plant our local endemic species. By planting local native plants, we're creating the future now.
Seaweed is amazing. It can improve the health of Australians, the health of our oceans, and the health of our planet. I'm Jo. I've got a background in marine science, and now I'm the owner of Sea Health Products. We hand harvest kelp from local South Coast beaches and create a range of health and wellness products. Kelp seasonings, seaweed soaps and shampoos and cosmetics, and it has so many health benefits. It's really good for you. So kelp farming is also referred to as regenerative aquaculture or restorative farming, because we collect the plants, bring it back to the lab. We can seed our farm, but we can also get involved in restoration work and rehabilitating our kelp forests, which are so important for our oceans. By introducing kelp farming, we can explore all these new markets. We can create building materials, we can create furniture, we can explore new types of food, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals. So kelp farming has so many benefits for ocean health. It creates habitat, improves biodiversity, reduces ocean acidification, it sequesters carbon dioxide, and it can provide a buffer to protect our shorelines from erosion. So we're growing the future now.